So today, talking about that big girl back there again. A little lesson in Murphy's Law. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So this car, more than likely, is going to be leaving at the end of this month. TRX is incoming. But of course today, while I'm at work, got sideswiped, and well, this is the resulting cause of being sideswiped. Yeah, lost my glass mirror. So yeah, you can kind of see up here a little bit where from impact, where the mirror folded back into the door, and the clip inside here has broken. So that's pretty shitty considering this car was in pretty good shape before that. But luckily the mirror is still intact, it still folds in, the turn signals still work. So basically just gonna need to order a piece of glass, replace it, and we should be good to go. And guys, just like that, would you look at it, we got our Mopar genuine replacement part here for Gile. That must be French or something. Yeah. But anyway, this is the replacement glass. This is the passenger glass for a 4th gen Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500. This is the part number that you will be needing, and this is the part number for the replacement glass that also has the heater in it. So those are going to be two different parts. If you have the defrosters on your truck, this is the part number you need. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of here. Oh yeah, look at that, beautiful. Look how pretty I am. But yeah, there you go, just a piece of glass. And then on the other end, you can see here clips. Then right here, your little electrical connections for the defroster. So basically pretty straightforward. You see these clips here, got one right there, one there, right there, right there, and then on the sides as well. That basically just connects right to that little bad boy right there. And then you see these two wires that are sticking out, that connects right there for your defroster. Alright guys, so I jumped up in here. I figured this is going to be the best vantage point for putting on this mirror. So basically you want to try and get that little adjustment piece so it can be flat, so you can just more or less, you know, slot it in there correctly. So just come up, jump over here and move your mirror around until you can see that it's in a pretty good flat position. It's just adjusting it back and forth. All right, perfect. All right, so you can see there, nice and straight. So first thing I'm going to do, connect those two wires right there. I know this is not the best position, but just connect those two plugs. There's one. Other. Oops, sorry guys. So you can see right there, connected, and then for right here, those two right there go into that little connector right there. You can kind of see how it just kind of slots together. You want to do the same over on this end, and this is what I was saying, you want to make sure this is straight so you can get that in there correctly and make sure it all slots together. Okay guys, so once you have it lined up at the bottom and those two little bottom pieces are kind of grooved in there, you want to push it in and then rotate the top up just so you can push it in there. You'll hear a nice click, and there you go. Glass is replaced. So let's see if it's actually connected or not. This is the test right here. Let's see if it still moves. Oh, look at that, so pretty. Perfect. So you can see rotating. Glass is good. X and Y axis, perfect. Up and down, left and right. Sweet. So yeah guys, pretty easy fix. This little mirror mirror little pane right here, 30 bucks on eBay. I'll go ahead and throw the link in there. But yeah, as you can see, again, this one is for the defroster mirrors. So there you have it, guys. And let's hope that nothing else really happens with this truck until the Raptor, or until the DRX shows up. Let's see if that still works. Perfect. Folds in, beautiful. Oh, look at that carbon steering wheel, so sexy. Damn, girl. But all right, guys, so there it is. Quick little not really a mod, but a repair. So yeah, guys, like I said, DRX is incoming. Stay tuned for that. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That's something I'd really appreciate, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.